Hello, and welcome to ALTIA Central. Let's take a look at our application process. First, we accept applications and screen them. We arrange and hold interviews and follow up with references. And then we try to locate a suitable position and ultimately make an official offer. While we usually have 1 or 2 openings every month, the vast majority of positions start in April and September. The best time to apply is typically around January and June respectively, though we do interview year-round. For overseas applicants, the process needs to start even earlier, so we recommend applying from October and May each year to account for the COE and visa application process. The easiest way to apply is to go to our ALTIA Central recruiting website and click on the Apply Now button. For the initial application, we will ask for a cover letter, your updated resume, a recent photo, and at least 1 letter of reference or recommendation. And for all overseas applicants, you will need to add a short essay on why you want to live and work in Japan and what you think the responsibilities are for an ALT. After receiving your application, we begin the initial screening process. We generally prefer someone who is a native English speaker, has conversational Japanese, a relevant bachelor's degree, has ESL or other teaching experience, and has previously spent some time living in Japan. Applicants who fulfill all or most of these attributes to a satisfactory level will then be directed to fill out an online questionnaire. Once we are satisfied with your application and completed questionnaire, we will then try to set up an online interview with you. An ALTIA Central interview is a one-on-one interview conducted online with a member of our recruiting team and typically takes between 30 and 45 minutes. After a successful initial interview, we will follow up with your references, gather a few documents, and give you the requirements for a short demo lesson video we will ask you to record. Assuming all of that goes well, we will arrange a second follow-up interview with a separate interviewer and complete a brief Japanese check with you as well. Only the top applicants with strong, relevant backgrounds, who are friendly and approachable, energetic and enthusiastic, flexible and adaptable will be approved with a positive reference check and considered for the next step, finding a position. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few months to complete. We don't just place you anywhere, but try to best utilize your strengths to match you with a suitable placement. We will communicate with you regarding your preferences and the needs of the client BOEs and schools to determine a good fit. And then, once we have a suitable landing spot, we will make an official offer and formally welcome you to ALTIA Central. For more information, please check out our recruiting website or send us an email. Thanks again for your interest in ALTIA Central.